Hello dear chess lovers, today I want to show you a new game between famous chess writer Alexander Kotov and former world chess champion Mikhail Botvinnik. This game was played in 1939 USSR Championship. When this game was played, Botvinnik was 28 and Kotov was 26 years old. After this game, Botvinnik won the championship and win the first prize and Kotov was second place. Let's see this party. Kotov, white pieces, Botvinnik, black pieces. Kotov played d4, queen's pawn opening, Botvinnik knight f6, Indian game. c4, e6, knight c3, bishop b4, Nimzo Indian defense, queen c2, knight c6, knight is now attacking d4, pawn, knight f3, developing knight and defending pawn, d5, attacking center, e3, defending d4 and c4 pawn, castle short, a3, attacking bishop, bishop takes knight, queen takes bishop, bishop d7, preparing to develop his light square bishop, b3, a5, bishop d3, a4, knight d2. Instead of knight d2, Kotov could continue with b4, grabbing space on queen sides. After this move, Botvinnik played rook e8, castle short, e5, pawn push, d takes e5, knight takes e5, bishop b2. Now queen bishop battery is looking at black's king. A takes b3, knight takes b3, knight jumps to e4, attacking queen, queen c2. After knight takes c4, now Kotov gave up bishop pair. Bishop takes c4, d takes c4, queen takes c4, queen g5. Black queen is now looking white's king. Instead of this move, black could continue with b6 and after that rook a4. In the game after queen g5, f4 attacking queen. But that was bad move because e3 pawn is a target on semi-open file. So instead of this move, black could continue with h4 and this pawn is poisonous. If black took this pawn with queen, there is a pin on fourth rank, so black's knight will be trapped. Instead of taking this pawn, black queen goes to h6 and that was normal game. After f4 attacking queen, queen g6, rook f2 d1. Instead of rook f2 d1, white could continue with rook f2 c1 and both queen and rook are attacking c7 pawn. In the game after rook f2 d1, knight d6 attacking queen, queen d3. White wanted to exchanging queens but black Botvinnik refused this invitation and bishop f5 attacking white's queen, queen c3, bishop e4. Now black has a mate trade from g2 square. Instead of this, black also could continue with bishop h3, the same trade. But in the game, after this, white played rook d2 and defending g2 pawn, bishop c6, queen d3. White wanted to exchanging queens again, but black refused it with knight f5. Instead of this, bishop b5 attacking queen and queen takes g6, h takes g6. Now black's position is good because of the e3 pawn on semi-open file. After knight f5, bishop e5, f6, bishop takes c7. Instead of bishop takes c7, knight jumps to d4 after f takes e5, knight takes f5, queen f7 and this is almost equal game. Bishop takes c5, rook takes e3. Instead of taking e3, black could continue with bishop e4 attacking queen. After rook takes e3, Queen c4 check. King h8, bishop b6, rook e to e8. Instead of rook e to e8, rook can go h3 square for attacking white's king. In the game, after retreating with rook, queen f1, h5, knight d4, knight takes knight, bishop takes knight, rook e4, rook e1, rook takes e1, queen takes e1, rook takes a3. Now black has one more pawn at, and this pawn is also passed pawn. After this move, black's position is winning, and king h1, rook a8, rook e2, king h7, h3. After rook e8, now white made a blunder, queen f2. Instead of this move, white has to continue with queen d2, but also after this move, black's position is winning. In the game, after queen f2 blunder, Botvinnik made a great temporary queen sacrifice, queen takes g2. After queen takes e2, rook takes e2, and Kotov resigns because white's best move is taking this bishop, and after pawn takes queen, black has a rook against white's bishop. Also, black has 2 pawns ahead. So black's position is winning, and in the game after rook takes e2, Kotov resigned, and Botvinnik was the Soviet chess champion after this game. If you like this match, like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on later videos. Goodbye.